Do you feel the constant pressure of choosing the right words on a dating profile but are simply unable to? Do you want to make the best dating profile but simply don't know how? Well then, my friend, today I'm going to help you with just that, and you might end up getting a lot of swipes. Hi guys, today in Men Must Haves, I'm going to share 5 dating app hacks that will help you make a dating profile for a kick-ass first impression. Now guys, very importantly, your profile has to stand apart with something that catches the eye in an instant. First and most importantly, aim to make an impression in 3 seconds. Now this is simple. I always take a good photo with my best smile. See? And without any distracting elements around. Don't forget, the person who visits your profile is interested in you much more than your friends or your pet. Add images that capture what you are about, whether it's running 5Ks or taking cooking classes. Avoid group pictures. No one wants to play a game of who is who. Cut the guesswork and make it simple. But if you have to include a group shot, at least set it as the last picture, so they'll likely know which person you are by then. Thirdly, don't forget to feature your interests. By featuring your hobbies in your profile, either in your photo or text, you increase the chance of matching with people who share similar interests as you. This really worked for me. Now, if you love to hike, then share a photo of you on top of a mountain you recently climbed. Show off your sense of humor. This is a tricky one. You want to show that you can be funny, but don't want to be overly sarcastic or over the top. Consider throwing in a one-liner that might make the reader smile. Also, a tip from my side, girls love guys who make them smile. Now guys, a golden rule: avoid cliches and please don't be boring. Now, next step is to be upfront. Whether you're looking for a hookup or a long-term relationship, honesty on your part will go a long way before someone catches feelings for no reason. If you're going to say you want something serious, frame it in a positive way rather than a negative one. You don't want to come across as bitter or rude. The next point is fill out as many fields as you can. Put in some effort and try to fill out as many fields as you can. Most dating apps offer prompts and questions to share information about your interests, your job, and fun facts. Filling them out will give the people an opportunity to strike up a more engaging conversation, which can lead to higher quality partners and dates. The next point is avoid looking desperate. Being negative in your dating profile will only make women avoid you and swipe left really fast. Desperation in a dating profile is a big negative, and so is complaining about your life, hating on your exes, and acting as if girls still want to date you because you're a nice guy. Don't try your old jokes in your dating profile. If anything, write down that you're a fan of stand-up comedy and try to bring that up on the conversation you have on your first date. Otherwise, quotes might come off badly or out of place, or simply look like filler because you can't think of anything original to say. The same goes for movie quotes. They look quite out of context. Moving on to the next point. Have a clear CTA. In your online dating profile, make a clear call to action, letting women know you're open to receiving messages. Write at the bottom that you are open to being contacted or going out for a drink. Lastly, be real and be yourself. You don't have to convey yourself the way you do on LinkedIn. Don't forget you're not applying for a job, and you should avoid sounding too uptight. Describe yourself the way you truly see yourself. And if a date is right for you, he or she will appreciate your self-authenticity. And that will be something meaningful for the both of you if your relationship develops. Apply these tips for a surefire way of making your profile stand out. With just a little time on your profile, you'll get a lot of time with your match-to-be. I really hope these hacks work for you. And as I always say, do not forget to share your thoughts on this and keep watching this space for more such content.